This hair looks so gorgeous. Look at this. This looks so professionally done. If you're looking for one boho braid that is full, that is of good quality, honestly, this is one amazing hair you want to have. Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video we are gonna be making this hair sincerely for you. I'm gonna be looking at what is inside this box. This tear from here, look at that. Easy breezy. Let's see. Oh my gosh, let's see this. This is so amazing. Look at that. It has a hanger, HD wig cap right here, and then its headband. That's this little purple pouch. Necklace. So this is what you get when you get this hair sincerely for you. You get an extra necklace. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? This is so cool. Oh my god, goodness, look at that right here, everyone. Look at it. So here is one of the goodies you get when you get this hair sincerely for you. Now let's look at the hair for the day. Look at the packaging. Oh my goodness, this hair is mesmerizing. Oh, what, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Let's take it off. Look at this hair. This hair is so full. This is boho braids. So this is deep coily boho knotless braided HD full lace wig. This color right here is natural black. They do have the same hair in gradient brown and gradient burgundy. I wanted to know more about this company, looking at the quality of their hair, so I did a little search about them. So I went on my browser and typed sincerely for you, and it brought out this. So I navigated the website to see what they have in stock. First I searched for their wear and go glueless wigs, and I was so amazed at what I saw. Honestly, ladies, this side is so loaded. Look at this gorgeous straight wig. This is so cute. And the hair I am installing today is this deep curly boho knotless braided HD full lace wig. You can select the density, the wig length, and the cap size of your choice, and the price is just so affordable. Look at that, for the quality hair you are getting. Honestly, you can see how full the hair looks. It is so gorgeous. Next, I went ahead to see what other gorgeous ladies are saying about this hair. I mean the website generally, and I got lots of reviews, and they were like rating 4.67 out of 5. That was an excellent rating. All right ladies, let's install this hair. Lace melt mousse. I'm just gonna apply it right in front here. You can actually style this hair however you want it. This hair is so gorgeous. Look at the frontals. Look at it. Very thin and awesome. I love it so much, and I'm very sure you will. This hair looks so gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this hair. This is awesome. This looks so professionally done. This looks so professionally made. Honestly, if you're looking for one boho braid that is full, that is of good quality, honestly, this is one amazing hair you want to have. Or I've left the link of this hair on the video description. Go ahead and grab the link, navigate the site, and see so many hair they have on the website. Honestly, this is awesome. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.